Hi, good evening, everyone. About 5:30, making dinner. I'm going to try Drunken noodles, which, to be honest, we kind of make all the time, just slightly differently or whatever. So I've got chicken already in the wok, browning up and cooking. I did noodles, a big package of noodles in the round steamer with a bunch of water, so they're pretty much, yeah, I do my drunken noodle a little differently. They say add the noodles last, but I like to add them in and they start to grab the sauce right away. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because that's just me. Alright, I'm gonna keep some of the water. And there we go. So that's round steamer. Used up. And let that go. So I still have it on high heat, and I'm just gonna let that do its thing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So I got 1 tablespoon of oil in there. I'm going to throw in the Thai basil. I am going to toss in a tablespoon of soy sauce. Actually, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. With that. It says tomato paste or sauce or whatever, or sriracha, whatever you want. So 2 tablespoons of that as well. So we will go ahead and try that. There we go. The noodles are just finishing up. The water is disappearing. And okay, so soy sauce, the little oil, the tomato paste or sriracha with the mix, and a 1/4 cup of water, which I don't need because the water is in the pasta in here already. And you can see the water is already disappearing. There we go. Okay, so this is where I switch stuff up. And add all that in now. So the noodles start getting all that delicious seasonings soaked right into it. Now for us, vegetables are going to be pea pods, beans, green beans, and kale salad, but that we'll put on on the plate, not in the dish, or not in the wok. And if you find like you need more sauce, just open up another package, or maybe combine it with crispy, I think the one that they say here is crispy crunchy lettuce wrap, because that one's got a nice little bit of heat to it. But to be honest, with the tomato paste, soy sauce, and water, there's actually a pretty good amount of sauce. It just depends on how saucy you want it. But that's it. That's how simple that is. And then of course the cool thing is the steamer is easy to wash because it's just water and noodles, and that's really in essence one pot. And then of course you can see, look at how saucy that is already. And the noodles are pretty much done, as is the chicken. Now I'm just going to add in the green beans and pea pods. Mix that up. We like our vegetables pretty crisp, but if you want them a little bit softer, then you just put them in earlier. Now I'm going to turn the heat down, because I can feel that the sauce is pretty much gone. The water's gone. But this is perfect for us for like a couple of days of meals and that here. So, and then got a container full of kale salad to go at the end. So we're just going to give the noodle, look at that, noodle's good. Yep. That's it. We're done. Dinner's ready. All right, so there you go. That is our Drunken noodles, and obviously you can spice it up. Put on some 3 onion, use the sriracha sauce, use some sriracha sea salt or whatever you might have, chili flakes, sesame seeds, green onions, 3 onion mix, whatever it is that you want to kind of amp it up or change it up. Or obviously, as you can see, I use different vegetables here. You can adjust that to whatever kind of vegetable you like, whatever kind of protein you like. This could be great with tofu or shrimp or yeah, anything like that, really. Yeah, I think that's it. Dinner is ready. 15 minutes basically. Probably a little less, really, because it only took me a few minutes to chop everything up. And it was 5 minutes before I got on where I had the chicken going and the noodles done. So it was 5 minutes in the microwave with the water covering the noodles in the round steamer. And then letting it finish here. If you want it longer, you could probably go up to 8 to 10 minutes in the microwave to get it fully done, and then you'd add it in at the end if you're following the full recipe online. Otherwise, yeah, let me know what you guys are having for dinner, and if you're gonna give this recipe a try, and what you think. What vegetables are you gonna use? What protein? Yeah, there you go. Have a good day.